The worksheet view is a more traditional view of your quote. Here you'll see the numbers that are associated with your quote. As you can see, you'll find unit prices, the calculated prices. You'll have a total. Here you'll be able to apply discounts or markup. Discount or markups work well for people who are working with a list price and they discount off of their list price, or by simply tapping where it says discount, that will turn to markup. And the markup is good for people who are working with cost and they apply a markup to the cost. The cost will be later distributed through your items in the quote. Here you'll always see whatever the price that has been either imported or whatever price you've entered for an item. In this case, we're going to go ahead and work with discount. So I'm going to switch. I'm going to apply a 10% discount. And close the keyboard. You can see that I have 560. Again, simply if I tap markup, now I'm increasing the price by 560. So you can see how the price changes. Again, I'm going to leave it in discount. The last item here is shipping, which is $0 because I created the item as a $0 item. I'm going to go ahead and make this $5. Okay. Now, the exempt field is something that you can turn on and off. And exempt is good for things like shipping or labor, things that you're not going to discount or mark up. And you will see that the price for the discount changes if I toggle this exempt field. Okay. So here I'm going to leave this exempt, and that's going to show my discount with my actual subtotal. And this is going to be the total that's going to be shown for the quote. Here you'll also find a quote number to the top. And add item is also a more traditional way for you to add an item. You simply type in the part number. Okay. Tap on quantity. Now you can enter the quantity. Close the keyboard. And in this case, this was $0. I'm going to make it a change now. I'm going to say, well, I want to charge $150 for this item. So it's going to go ahead and calculate it. This will only affect this quote. It will not affect any of the other quotes. Anything that's changed here is not saved for other future quotes. If you need to change a value, you can go ahead and change to affect everything else. You can actually do that in the price list. And that is the worksheet view for TapTapSales.